One of the most important research skills is knowing whether a source is reliable. Because not all the information you find online is accurate or trustworthy, and using unreliable sources can weaken your entire research. So in this video, we are going to look at how to check if a source is reliable. The first thing to consider is the author. Who wrote the information? Are they an expert in the subject? Do they have relevant qualifications or experience? Reliable sources are usually written by people who have knowledge in that area. If you cannot find any information about the author, that is a warning sign. The second thing to check is where the information is published. Is it from a trusted website, a recognized organization, or an academic journal? Or is it from an unknown website with no clear purpose? Reliable sources often come from universities, government websites, academic journals, established organizations. These are generally more trustworthy. The third thing to consider is the date of publication. Is the information recent? In some subjects, such as technology or science, outdated information can be misleading. Always check when the source was published or last updated. The fourth factor is evidence. Does the source support its claims with evidence? Does it reference studies, data, or other credible sources? Or does it simply make statements without proof? Reliable sources are usually supported by clear evidence. The fifth thing to consider is bias. Does the source present information fairly? Or is it trying to persuade you towards a particular opinion? Some sources are written to inform, others are written to influence. Being aware of bias helps you evaluate information more critically. A simple way to remember this is to ask yourself 5 questions. Who wrote it? Where is it published? When was it written? What evidence is used? And is there any bias? When you begin to ask these questions, you move from simply collecting information to evaluating it. And that is what strong research requires. Instead of accepting information immediately, you begin to think critically. You begin to question what you read. And this is what transforms research from a task into a skill. If you would like a structured guide that helps you apply these research skills step by step, my Research Starter Toolkit is available in the About section of this channel. It is designed for learners aged 13 and above, as well as adult beginners who want a clear introduction to research. On this channel, we will continue breaking research into simple, structured guidance. If that would help you, consider subscribing. Because when you learn how to evaluate sources properly, your research becomes stronger, clearer, and more reliable.